everybody? It's your OG dirty girl, Brooklyn Cardenas here, and we're gonna do a summer sexy style. We're gonna make a perky pony, which is both casual chic, but simple and versatile. Let's go. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are going to accentuate the natural features. So if you can see, your cheekbone has a line that goes up to the top of your head. By following the line of your cheekbone, creating that high pony just only lifts and creates a really complimentary moment. So we started out with just some beautiful natural waves, and I'm just working through some of these curls with just my fingers and kind of loosen these curls up. I'm gonna take just a little bit of oil in my hands. Yes, smooth that out. And really start to just kind of look for that wave and curl that I want to see decorated in through that top edge. All right, I'm gonna work with my favorite spray. It's the Paul Mitchell's Undone Texture Spray. This texture spray is fantastic. It's like a hairspray, but it's not sticky, guys. This is going to be able to create lots of movement and texture in the hair. It has a beautiful lightless and weightless hold. And I'm gonna work this through. You can't use too much. It'll just kind of pull and fluff all the texture that we added in. All right, I'm gonna start off by separating the front from the back. So these front pieces are gonna decorate later, so I'm just gonna set those aside. And I'm gonna gather just loosely with my hands, and I'm just gonna shift and pull all of this up into that high point. And just use my hands really loosely. I want there to be texture in there. So making sure that it's not super smooth, that it's textured, and you can see some of that movement from the curls. And then we'll gather that in, just make sure that it follows that line up, and gather that all into your hands at that high point of your head. All right, so we're gonna start off with our first ponytail. So I'm going to secure a rubber band right at the top. This will act as our base. So we're gonna go ahead and secure that, give it a nice little pull and plume, and just kind of pull some of those pieces out. Just make sure that, again, that we've got some of that texture. And then the magic is we're gonna add another ponytail. This is a anchor hooked rubber band, so it wraps around perfectly. And what that's doing, it's kind of giving a little extra security at that base, which allows the hair to stand up on top of each other. So I'll hook that in, and that allows our ponytail to be perky. So I'll take some more of that texture spray and decorate that out, pull, and really work that texture. And then I'm gonna finish that off by taking a little piece of her hair and wrapping it around the rubber band and securing that. I'll just take a bobby pin, take the end, and just hook that in. Then I'm gonna just make this ponytail a little bit more expansive. So now I'm just gonna decorate this ponytail and expand it just a little bit. I will just back comb and rouge, not disturbing the curls too much, but just to get some expansion and make the ponytail pop just a little bit. And then I'll take my fingers and just kind of rake through and create some more of that texture. This is what allows the ponytail to kind of get perky and big, and do not be scared to use that texture spray. It really does kind of keep everything moving and in place. Then I'm gonna take these pieces in through the side, and I'm just going to decorate them. So what I like to do is to kind of pull them back towards the ponytail, use that product to kind of, to really kind of pull apart some pieces. And this one I'm gonna decorate, leaving some around the face. And then I'm gonna wrap these sides over the top, and so that kind of feeds into the ponytail. So really use your mirror, or if you're doing this on yourself, just kind of use your mirror to look at those pieces and then secure those into the ponytail. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. what's fun is that you get to kind of play, check in the mirror, check for balance. And again, the curls that we put in before give it that really cool texture, and we're really looking for like a messy, just tousled pony. Yes, girl. Easy, versatile, flexible, and super fun for summer.